What? You don't remember me? Well, allow me to join you on your quest once again. Off to the land of Nod? Farewell, my friend. Want to know about my vision? Oh, go on then. Take a look for yourself. I can make you a matching one if you like. Oola! That's how the hilly churls say hello. Just think of all the vintage wine he must have stored away. Huh? Both lead to you being so poor you can't even cough up the money for a drink. Never mind. You know what that means. No cider. In that case, I wouldn't go there even if I was invited.